Decreasing winter stress with a cover will help your plants thrive. Young plants, tender plants, and those planted late in the season need some care to help them get ready for winter. While our bamboo is very hardy, it does need protection in the winter from freezing temperatures and drying winds. It's time to protect your bamboo as soon as the daytime temperature doesn't rise above 10 degrees Celsius, which in Zone 5 is usually around mid to late November. The goal is to keep your bamboo at a stable temperature so that they stay dormant, not too cold, not too hot. The best system to provide warmth and wind protection is a combination of winter cover near the plant with white plastic on top of it. You will need bamboo garden stakes or tree branches, light-colored plastic, rocks or tent stakes, scissors, twine, or wire. First, get rid of any debris that may have accumulated on the ground. Put a tall garden stake in the ground beside your plant. Gently lay the culms down as far as you can bend them and tie them to the stake. Now you can add your tripod of sticks or bamboo stakes. Make sure they are planted firmly in the ground. Next, drape over a layer of winter row cover. Secure at the top of your tripod using twine or wire. And repeat at the base to ensure the winter row cover doesn't go anywhere. Now you can add your layer of light-colored plastic. Secure with twine or wire at the top of your tripod. Repeat this step at the base. Place rocks or soil on the outer edge of the tent that you've created. Now your bamboo is ready for winter. Check out bambooplants.ca for information on how to protect all of your plants this winter.